Mehta says, if you want to fly, give away everything that weighs you down. All the burden in your mind, all the thoughts, all the desires, all the emotions, they're all burden. They burden you down. It's much better to leave them away and stay happy. Stay in the state of blissfulness. Stay in the state of peace without any burden. Just witness. Just witness the thoughts. Instead of looking like this, look like this, and things will start changing. Totally different aspect you will see once you start looking within. And then you see the entire world with the empty eyes, with the empty mind, and things will be totally different. You'll see a totally new reality. Feel it and then give your comments. Thank you very much. Thank you.